Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add two blank lines in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add two blank lines in this document. Apply two processes. Firstly, we apply the first process. Go to the paragraph settings option and go to tabs. Then set the tab stop 5.5. Then check mark on the right option and leader set 4. Then click set. Then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard. Then enter and press tab on our keyboard. And we can see we make two blank lines. Otherwise you can use shapes. Go to the insert menu. Click the shapes drop down menu. Then choose the line shape and insert blank underline. Go to the shape format menu, click the shape outline, choose blank. Then again go back the shape outline. Increase the white. Then click the line and click right button on our mouse. Then copy it and paste in font. Then set these two blank underline in this page. Now we can see we added two blank lines in two ways very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.